How to view past orders on your HelloFresh application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily view your past orders on your HelloFresh application. So first thing first, just head over to your HelloFresh application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now just select your profile icon from the bottom right corner and simply head over to this option, that is my account, and under that you can see there is option past orders. So simply select it, and once you select it, here you should be noticing all of the past orders which you have ordered. So because I haven't ordered, it's not showing for me, so you can basically see all of the past orders which you have ordered previously over here. And you can also see all of the favorites recipe or food icon you have selected, you have read, you have selected as a favorites will be shown over to this favorite section as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.